Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: battery at full charge, water source steady, and the quick connect nozzle clicked in place. Attach the detergent bottle if you plan to use soap. Make sure its filter is clear. Once connected, open the water tap and pull trigger until a steady stream appears. This primes the pump and removes air pockets. You do this because a primed pump prevents cavitation and maintains pressure. Now press the power button and aim at the test surface to confirm spray pattern. You now control cleaning intensity by choosing the nozzle and distance. Start with a wider fan for fragile paints and switch to a narrow tip only for concrete stains. This prevents surface damage. Maintain 6 to 12 inches for heavy grime, moving outward as residue lifts. If using detergent, apply at low pressure and allow 1 to 3 minutes of dwell time so the cleaner breaks bonds. Then switch back to a rinsing nozzle and work top to bottom, making consistent passes until the surface looks clean. To finish, you flush the Swift Clean with fresh water to clear detergent and debris. Run it briefly with the trigger held until water runs clear. Then remove the battery, disconnect fittings, and let parts air dry before storing inside. This prevents corrosion and freezing damage. If you encounter low pressure, first recheck the water supply and nozzle for clogs, then inspect the hose and filter. Finally, confirm the battery is charged. This sequence narrows root causes quickly and gets you back to cleaning fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.